In 1993, a rejected salesman sat alone in his car. His name was Jack Ma. He had just failed again. He had no job, no money, and no clear future. Today, Jack Ma is one of the most successful entrepreneurs in the world. He built a company worth billions of dollars. But how did this happen? How did a man who failed so many times rise to such success? Imagine being rejected not once, not twice, but dozens of times. Imagine being told again and again that you are not good enough. This was Jack Ma's life. But everything changed when he made one powerful decision. He decided never to give up. This is not just a story about business. It is a story about persistence. Persistence means continuing even when things are hard. This story will teach you how to keep going, even when life says no. Jack Ma was born in 1964 in Hangzhou, a beautiful city in China. At that time, China was very different from today. It was still developing. Many people lived simple lives. Opportunities were limited. Jack Ma's family was not rich. His parents were traditional musicians and storytellers. They worked hard, but they did not earn much money. As a child, Jack Ma was not strong or confident. He was small and often got into trouble. He was curious, but he struggled in school. He especially had difficulty with mathematics. He failed many math tests. In fact, he failed his college entrance exam twice. To fail means to not succeed in something you try. Jack Ma experienced failure again and again, but there was one thing he loved: learning English. In the 1970s, tourists started visiting Hangzhou. Jack Ma would ride his bicycle every morning to a hotel. He offered to guide tourists for free. In return, he practiced English with them. He did this for 9 years, 9 years of daily practice. This shows dedication. Dedication means strong commitment to something. Jack Ma dreamed of doing something meaningful. He wanted to connect China with the world, but he did not know how. At that time, he had no money, no technology, and no clear plan. But deep inside, he had a desire, a strong wish to succeed. One day, after many failures, he made a decision. He decided that no matter how many times he failed, he would keep trying. This decision changed everything. After finishing his studies, Jack Ma looked for a job. But he faced rejection again and again. He applied to more than 30 jobs. He was rejected by all of them. Even a fast food restaurant rejected him. Out of 24 applicants, 23 were accepted. Jack Ma was the only one rejected. Have you ever felt like this? Like everyone else is moving forward, and you are left behind? Jack Ma felt discouraged. Discouraged means feeling sad and losing hope. But instead of stopping, he continued. He became an English teacher. His salary was very low, but he loved teaching. He tried to start small businesses. Many of them failed. Each failure taught him something. Failure became his teacher. Transition. But Jack Ma didn't give up. Instead, he decided to learn more about the world. In 1995, Jack Ma traveled to the United States. This was his first time outside China. There, he saw the internet for the first time. He searched for the word beer. He found results from many countries, but none from China. This moment was powerful. He realized that China had no presence online. He saw an opportunity. Opportunity means a chance to do something important. Jack Ma did not understand technology. He was not a programmer, but he was willing to learn. He started reading, asking questions, and experimenting. He built his first website for Chinese businesses. It was not perfect, but it was a start. He showed determination. Determination means a strong decision to keep going. Day after day, Jack Ma worked on his ideas. He improved slowly. Building a company is not easy. Jack Ma had to give up many things. He had little money. He borrowed from friends. He worked long hours. Sometimes he felt tired and uncertain. Uncertain means not sure about the future. There were moments when Jack Ma wanted to quit. His company was not making money. People did not believe in him. Even his friends doubted him. But he remembered his goal, to connect people and create opportunities. This purpose gave him strength. Purpose means a reason to do something. In 1999, Jack Ma started a company called Alibaba. He gathered 17 friends in his apartment. They believed in his vision. Vision means a clear idea of the future. Together, they worked day and night. At first, Alibaba had no profit, but Jack Ma focused on helping small businesses. He believed that if he helped others succeed, his company would succeed too. This belief changed everything. Investors began to notice Alibaba. They saw potential. Potential means the ability to grow and succeed. This was the turning point. From this moment, things began to change. 25. The Rise, Momentum and Success. Chapter 4a. First Major Victory Alibaba's first big success came when more businesses started using the platform. Small companies could now sell their products online. This was new and powerful. People trusted Alibaba. Trust means believing that something is reliable. Jack Ma felt proud, but he stayed humble. Humble means not thinking you are better than others. This success proved that his idea worked. Chapter 4b. Building on Success. After the first success, Jack Ma did not stop. He expanded Alibaba's services. He created new platforms. For example, he launched Taobao, an online marketplace. Taobao competed with global companies. Many people thought it would fail, but Jack Ma focused on customer experience. Experience means how people feel when using a service. He listened to users. He improved the platform. Slowly, Taobao became very popular. Another example was Alipay, a payment system. It made online transactions safe and easy. Transaction means an exchange of money or goods. Jack Ma built a strong team. He trusted his employees. He also stayed focused on his mission. Chapter 4c. Overcoming Major Obstacles. Success did not come without challenges. Alibaba faced strong competition. Global companies tried to enter the Chinese market. There were also financial problems. At one point, people doubted Alibaba's future. Jack Ma felt pressure. Pressure means stress or difficulty, but he stayed calm. He adapted his strategy. Adapt means to change according to new conditions. He focused on innovation. Innovation means creating new ideas. This helped Alibaba survive and grow. In 2014, Alibaba went public on the New York Stock Exchange. It became one of the largest IPOs in history. IPO means initial public offering, when a company sells shares to the public. Alibaba raised billions of dollars. Jack Ma became a global symbol of success. Millions of businesses used Alibaba. Millions of people found opportunities. His impact was huge. Chapter 4e. Legacy building. Jack Ma did not stop with success. He focused on education and helping young people. He shared his story to inspire others. His legacy is not just money, it is hope and inspiration. First, Jack Ma taught us persistence. When he faced rejection, he continued. This shows that success comes from not giving up. Lesson 2. Learning from failure. Second, he showed that failure is a teacher. Each failure helped him grow stronger. Lesson 3. Vision. Third, Jack Ma had a clear vision. He believed in his idea even when others did not. Application to English learning. Just like Jack Ma learned English through daily practice, you can improve your English by learning every day. You may feel discouraged, but remember, progress takes time. Apply persistence, practice regularly. Motivational synthesis. Jack Ma started with nothing. He faced many failures, but he kept going. You also have challenges, but you also have potential. Success is not about talent alone. It is about effort, patience, and belief. Today, Jack Ma is remembered as a symbol of persistence. His journey changed millions of lives. You've just learned about Jack Ma's journey. You've also improved your English. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next story.